In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Etsy ads for your shop. To begin, open a new browser window and search for Etsy. Look for the official site in the results and click the top, trusted link to head to the home page. This helps you avoid any confusing redirects and gets you straight where you need to be. Once you're on Etsy, log into your account. Use the same credentials you use for your shop so everything connects properly. If you have enhanced security turned on, complete that step as prompted. After you're signed in, you'll see your profile area at the top of the page. Now open your account menu and click on Account Settings. This confirms you're in the right profile and ensures your shop details and billing are aligned before you move into advertising. From here, navigate to your shop manager. You'll find it in the top navigation or in the menu, and it's the central hub for everything you do as a seller. Inside Shop Manager, look for the left-hand menu and select Marketing. This is where Etsy groups all of your promotional tools so you can run campaigns and review performance in one place. Next, click on Etsy Ads. This opens your advertising dashboard, where you can control your spend and see how your ads are performing over time. You'll be prompted to set a daily budget. This number is the maximum you're willing to spend in a single day, not a guaranteed amount you'll be charged. Etsy will use your budget to place your listings in sponsored spots across search results and relevant pages. A helpful approach is to start with a modest daily budget you're comfortable testing, then increase it gradually as you learn what works. Keep in mind that costs can vary based on competition and demand in your category. If your budget is reached, your ads will pause for the rest of the day and resume the next day. Also, your budget will use your shop's currency, so double-check that it looks right before you continue. When you're ready, click Start Advertising to launch your first campaign. Your ads will begin serving to shoppers as eligible opportunities arise. Results typically build over time, so give the system a little runway to gather data and learn which listings perform best. From this point forward, you can return to the same area in Shop Manager to view your ad activity and make adjustments to your daily budget as needed. That's it. You've set up Etsy ads for your shop and taken the first step toward reaching more customers.